What's up and welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1979 Z28 Camaro. This one here has cold AC, power steering, front disc brakes, 5.7 liter 350. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every day. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. You want to see all of our inventory? maplemotors.com has all of that, plus 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. And yeah, people say all the time, hey, how come there's all these cars on the lot, but they're not on the website? Well, we buy cars every day. We only update every Monday. We got to check these things out, clean them up, drive them a little bit, and then after we post them, I'll start making these videos. So there's your answer to your question. I've had a lot of people ask that. All right, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We're going to get started. Any dents, scratches, chips, anything you need to know about, I'm about to point out. Kind of like the grill right here. Get a big old crack in it. You don't like that? Well, now you know about it. Same one here. Little crack in the paint. And here. Car's not perfect. Got a good look to it. There is some chips though. Chips in the paint. The tire's a little worn on the edge here. Coming on down the side of the car, it looks fairly good, but there is some bubbles. I see them right away. Right here on the fender, a little bubble popping through. Most of it looks pretty solid. Some of the stripes got some peeling issues. We're gonna keep going down the side of the car. Got some chips on the lower part. People getting in and out of the car, kicking the panel. Excess paint back here. A little thick, lots of rock chips. Upper part of the car, pretty shiny, nice and clean. We'll be shutting the hood down towards the end of the video so that you can see it line up. Little chip behind the trim. They painted this trim black. It does look pretty good like that, but I would have probably done all of it. They did the same on the back window. Light scratch right here on top. That could come out. That doesn't feel like it's in the paint. I love the back ends of these cars. Chip right here in the paint. A little thin right here on top of the wing. Back tires are in good shape compared to the front. Checking the bottom of the door and we'll run back over the top of the car here. Paint's a little thick right here in the middle. Almost looks like something's been sanded and worked right here. If I get you close, let you check it out. And it clears up back in this area. Looks nice and clean. Extra paint, thick right here at the bottom of the panel. And a rust bubble popping up right in the middle of it, just tiny. The chip there, real small. And bubble right here in the front fender. Let's check back over the door. Get on the upper side here. Kind of give you a second take, really. I got some touch-up paint on the inside of the jam here, probably where they've been opening it into their garage door pole or whatever they've been hitting the door on. Light scratch on top of the roof here. I think I could rub that one off. It's just a scuff. All right, we have made it all the way around this thing. Not a terrible amount of issues, but definitely some little bubbles popping up here and there and light scratches. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Actually, I'm gonna grab the keys out of the ignition and we're gonna pop the trunk. See if we got any issues in there. she went flying. Got some extra parts. Adjust yourself. Antenna, power antenna. Tire inflator, belt, touch-up paint. Terrible spare tire. The pan looks pretty good. One thing I don't like is this wire laid down through here. They painted over. Should have ran that better. I guess it's got an electric popper for the trunk. Package tray's in good shape. Jack's up there and with it. Oh my God, weather stripping ate my shirt. It's in good shape though. Jams look pretty good. Trunk lid's not too bad. What we got here though? A little bit of rust issues inside the weather stripping. You can see it. Let's see if it's all the way around. Not bad on the inside. It's still smooth. It's just where the water's getting trapped down in there, I guess. All right. It shuts nicely. Let's look up under this door. So your door panel looks awesome. The weather stripping around it looks new. Underside of the door, it's in good shape. Carpet, a little ratty. Got some wires showing and stuff. The back seat's better, probably because not been used that much. The seat belt's a little loose here. There we go, I got that right. Old steering wheel, it's not sticky. I hate when the sun gets on these, especially this style, and it just makes it so sticky. Use WD-40 and rub down on it, and it actually cleans it up nicely. The interior is in good shape. Package tray looks good. Headliner looks good. Dash is not cracked up. Just put the key in, turn it over, starts up. All the gauges work. All of them on the dash. It's showing 95,000 miles. I can't stand behind it though. It's a 79 model. You think the horn works? A little game we like to play on here. I'll try the windshield wipers while you're thinking about it. They work pretty good. I'll go ahead and try the AC while you're thinking about it. I ain't breaking a sweat. Go ahead and cool down. And it's blowing cold. It's not real strong right here, but it is over here. And I think what it is, it's mainly coming out of every vent in the car. So it's gonna get us cool though. Radio?
Before.
They never have a song on when I turn the radio on. It's crazy. Motor sounds good. Horn's kind of wimpy. Wheel lock. Looks pretty good up under the hood here. We'll go ahead and shut it down. Comes down pretty easy. It locks pretty good. Now that the hood's down, I can see more imperfections. This is pretty faded here, and the stripes got little cracks all in them. And there's a touch-up spot right there on the nose. right, guys, I'm gonna do some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go all the way around the car. Check out those detailed pictures for better pictures of the undercarriage, but we'll look up under here and see what you think. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, close to 100 detailed pictures of every car. And here on YouTube, you can watch test drives and walk-arounds on every car that we have. If you like the music at the beginning, hit the subscribe button on the page. It's called Southgate Production. I write all of that music. We're about to get back to it. I'm in the middle of a test drive over here in the church parking lot. And we'll put y'all back in the window and take off. If you want to see that test drive video, it's also at the last 30 seconds of this one. We also do Instagram, Facebook. We don't do Twitter. I never get on Twitter. So join us on some of the other social media stuff, like Snapchat. All right, let's take off.